Denmark. Location: Denmark is a Nordic country located in Northern Europe. It is bordered by Germany to the south and is connected to Sweden via the Øresund Bridge. Denmark also includes several islands, the largest of which are Zealand, Funen, and Jutland. Capital: the capital city of Denmark is Copenhagen, located on the eastern coast of the island of Zealand. Copenhagen is the largest city in Denmark and serves as a major cultural, economic, and political center. Population: Denmark has a population of approximately 5.8 million people. The majority of the population is of Danish descent, with small minorities of immigrants and descendants from other European countries. Official language: the official language of Denmark is Danish, a North Germanic language closely related to Swedish and Norwegian. English is widely spoken and understood, especially in urban areas and among younger generations. Government: Denmark is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of government. The monarch is the head of state, while executive power is vested in the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. The Danish Parliament, known as the Folketing, is unicameral. Independence: Denmark has a long history dating back to the Viking Age. It was unified in the 10th century and has since played a significant role in European history. Denmark has been a constitutional monarchy since 1849 and has maintained a high degree of independence throughout its history. Geography: Denmark is characterized by its flat landscape, with rolling hills and fertile plains. The country is known for its extensive coastline, including numerous fjords and sandy beaches. Denmark is also home to several small islands, which are scattered throughout the Danish archipelago. Economy: Denmark has a mixed market economy with a strong welfare state and high standard of living. Key industries include manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, renewable energy, and shipping. Denmark is known for its progressive social policies, including universal healthcare and education. Currency: the official currency of Denmark is the Danish krone, DKK. 1 krone is subdivided into 100 ore. Culture: Danish culture is rich and diverse, with influences from its Viking heritage, European history, and modern Scandinavian design. Denmark is known for its literature, architecture, design, and culinary traditions, including open-faced sandwiches, smørrebrød, and pastries, Danish pastries. Religion: the majority of Danes are nominally members of the Lutheran Church of Denmark, which is the state church. However, Denmark is a secular country with religious freedom guaranteed by law. There are also small communities of Muslims, Catholics, and other religious groups. Languages: Danish is the official language of Denmark and is spoken by the vast majority of the population. English and German are also widely spoken and understood, particularly in urban areas and among the younger generation. Tourism: Denmark is a popular tourist destination known for its historic cities, picturesque landscapes, and cultural attractions. Visitors are drawn to Copenhagen's vibrant atmosphere, the fairy tale charm of towns like Odense and Aarhus, and the natural beauty of the Danish countryside. Environmental conservation: Denmark is committed to environmental sustainability and has implemented various initiatives to protect its natural resources and reduce carbon emissions. The country is a leader in renewable energy, with wind power playing a significant role in its energy production. International relations: Denmark is a member of numerous international organizations, including the European Union, NATO, and the United Nations. It maintains close diplomatic ties with its Nordic neighbors and other European countries, as well as with the United States and other global partners. Denmark, with its rich history, modern society, and stunning landscapes, offers visitors a unique blend of culture, heritage, and natural beauty. Whether exploring historic castles, cycling along coastal trails, or enjoying the vibrant cultural scene in Copenhagen, Denmark has something to offer everyone.